Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 22nd of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.14%, settling the day at 40,890.49, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,918.99, raising 0.57%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,274.96 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,391.01. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,891, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 799.74 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 3,097.45 crore in the last trading session. Finance Minister Sitharaman calls for simplifying IT notices and faster refunds. Zomato to buy Paytm's entertainment and ticketing business for 2,048 crore rupees. Now talking about global aspects, crude oil inventories fell by 4.6 million barrels, surpassing the forecast decline of 2.0 million and reversing the previous increase of 1.4 million. Asian equities climb ahead of key US Fed and Bank of Japan events. WTI fell 1.69% at $71.93 a barrel and Brent fell 1.49% at $76.05 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.09. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.85%, up. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices witnessed an apparent shift in market preferences as attractively valued financials saw a resurgence in value buying, while profit booking occurred in overvalued sectors. Investors moved from overvalued segments to those deemed fairly valued segments. Despite this sectoral rebalancing, the key indices, Sensex and Nifty, managed to close the session with modest gains, ending at 80,905.30 and 24,770.20. Outlook for the day. The Nifty has closed strongly above its consolidation zone, signaling robust market strength. The 24,800 level may serve as a resistance, and a breakout above this could propel the index towards 25,000. On the downside, support is placed at 24,600, below this it could trigger a selling move towards 24,350. Overall, the structure is bullish, making it a buy on deep scenario. Nifty Bank is showing signs of stability after being volatile for straight 2 sessions. The immediate resistance is at 51,000, and a break above this level could lead to a move towards 51,500. On the downside, support is at 50,500, below this it may test 50,200. Stocks on the radar are: bullish view, Hindustan Petroleum, Jubilant FoodWorks, Zydus Life, SBI Life, Grasim. Bearish view, PFC, NMDC, Glenmark, DLF, Godrej Properties. Our chart of the day is bullish on Hero MotoCorp. Trade of the day: Hero MotoCorp, buy at 5,270 to 5,285. Stop 5,220. Targets 5,450. Aggressive targets at 5,380. Rationale: support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.